Hello students, in this video I am teaching you in brief how to solve the mixed problems. Mixed problems means what? In that both addition and subtraction will be given at the same time. Like 3586 plus 2451 minus 1280. Now in this addition is also there and subtraction is also there. At this time, how to solve this problem, whether we have to subtract first or add first. So children, when addition and subtraction given at the same time, you have to add the number first, then go for the subtraction. For example, now this addition sign is between these two numbers, so you have to add these two numbers, like 3586 plus 2451. Okay, after adding this number, what answer you will get? From that answer you need to subtract this number. So let us add children from ones place, that is 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. In 13 we need to carry the tens place number 1 to the next place value and write number 3 down. Okay. And now 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9 and plus 1 is 10. Again here in 10, carry the tens place number to the next place value and write 0 down. Now 3 plus 2 is 5 and plus 1 is 6. So what we got the answer? We got the answer after adding these two numbers is 6037. Now from this 6037, we need to subtract this number, that is 1280. Why? Because after adding these two numbers only we got this number. So from this number only we are going to subtract the next number. So now subtract from ones place. 7 minus 0 is 7. And again the next number is 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is not possible. So you have to borrow from the next place value. When you borrow from 0, you cannot borrow from 0. So what we can do? We can borrow directly from thousands place. Means from 6 place, 6 number. When you borrow from 6, the 0 will become 10 and this 6 will become 5. Because when we borrow from a number, we need to reduce 1. We all know that. Yes? So now, we need to borrow from this 10 to number 3. When we borrow from 10, this 10 will become 9 and this 3 will become 13. Now, subtract 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is how much? That is 5. So, write here 5. Next, subtract the hundredth place number, that is 9 minus 2 is 7, 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer is what? 4757 is the answer. After adding this number and subtracting this number, we got the answer as 4757. Let us see the another one example, children. So the second example is 8325 minus 2436 plus 1000. Here also both addition and subtraction is given. So what is the rule? When both the problem are given, you have to add the number first. So now you observe here, addition sign is between these two numbers. Yes, but children, here this is not a positive number, this is a negative number, because before this there is a subtraction sign. So now this will become minus 2436. So we cannot add this number to this. So now you can add to this number. We have already learned properties of addition, that when you change the order of the number, also you will get the same answer. So let us change the order of the number now. Okay, so keep this 8325 here only and write this 1000 before this number plus 1000. Then write this minus 2436 at the end. Okay, we have changed the order of 1000 now. It was at the end, we have taken it first. Or you can write 1000 first, then you can write 8000. Like you can write now, write the 1000 first, then write addition 8325. Yes. So for this number, there is no sign before this number. So observe children, for every number, before the every number, there will be addition sign. If not written also, it is understood. Like if it is 3 also, it will be having plus before this. If it is 346 also, it will be having addition sign before this. So it is, you can ask me that, ma'am, before 8325 there is no sign only and you have written here plus. Yes. So this is the reason we can write here. Before this number there will be addition sign. So you can shift that numbers according to the properties of addition. Now you can add these two numbers. From this answer you can subtract this number. So let us write 8325 plus 1000. Okay, start adding. 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 0 is 3, 8 plus 1 is 9. Now from this number you are going to subtract this number. So what is the answer we got after adding those two numbers? 9325 minus 2436. Okay. Now start subtracting from ones place number. So the ones place number here is 5 minus 6. We cannot subtract 5 minus 6. So borrow from tens place. So when we borrow from tens place number, this 2 will become 1 and 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9 and 1 minus 3 is not possible again. And now for this 1, borrow from 3. So when we borrow from 3, 3 will become 2 and 1 will become 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Now subtract the hundreds place number. 2 minus 4 is not possible, children, again. So borrow for this 2 from the thousands place. When you borrow from 9, 9 will become 8 and 2 will become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So what answer we got? 6889. 6889. Okay, see the next question, children. See, just observe the question. What we have solved two sums before, in that time there was no brackets. Okay, this is we read as bracket. Okay, till here to here. Bracket 7325 minus 5320 bracket complete. Then plus 4280. And read this next question. Bracket 3451 plus 1020 bracket completes minus 2450. So now when you observe both the questions, in both the questions brackets are given. So when brackets are given, how to solve? Before what we have solved, that is without bracket. Now this is with bracket. So children, it's very easy. When the brackets are given, you need to solve the sum inside the bracket. Now inside the bracket, what problem is given? Whether it is addition or subtraction. First you have to solve the bracket 1. Now inside the bracket, here is subtraction. First you need to subtract this number, and after subtracting, what answer you will get, from that answer you are going to add this number. Okay, and here you observe. Inside the bracket, addition is given. First you need to add these two numbers. And from that answer you need to subtract the next number. If there is no bracket, how you have to do? if there is no bracket, first you have to do addition, then subtraction. If there is a bracket, inside the bracket, what number, what operation is given, whether it is subtraction or addition. If it is subtraction, first you have to subtract, then add. If it is addition, first you have to add and subtract. This is the tricks when bracket is given in the problem. Okay. If there is no bracket, then no issue. You have to do first addition, then subtraction. If bracket is given, you have to solve first the inside the bracket what will be given, that you have to solve, and from that answer the next one you have to do. Okay. So can you do it by yourself, children? You have already learned it in your online classes. So do it by yourself. Thank you.